Hello guys, welcome to Echo English Learning. In today's video, we are talking about a very interesting topic, that is riddle. Riddle for some may be a puzzle, a mystifying fact, but for me, riddle is a play upon words. Play upon words like we use amusing words to get something out. In English language, we have a literary device that is called pun. It is used for creating comic effect. And the same way we are using riddles to get something knowledgeable out of it by applying our mind, and it may be a brain teaser also. So let's gain some knowledge with fun. Today I am telling you, discussing you, sharing with you some riddles and also giving you answers simultaneously. So the first riddle is, what's that's orange and sounds like a parrot? What's that's orange and sounds like a parrot? Answer is a carrot. Second riddle is, why are cricket stadiums so cool? Why are cricket stadiums so cool? Because every seat has a fan in it. Now next one is, what is that goes up but never comes down? You know this one. It's your age. Now next riddle is, you have to guess what it is. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. Who am I? I'm a map. Next one is, what's that starts with P and ends with E and has 1,000 letters in it? It's a post office with numerous letters. Letters means what you write. It's not about English alphabet having 26 letters. No, letters that we write for correspondence. What English word has 3 consecutive double letters? Now we are talking about letters that we use in English alphabet. What English word has 3 consecutive double letters? Means 2 letters in a row. It is a bookkeeper. Bookkeeper. Double O, double K and double E. These are consecutive letters. Next one is, what word begins and ends with an E but only has 1 letter? This is again letter of correspondence that we write. What word begins with E, begins and ends with E, but only has 1 letter? That is envelope. So envelope. Next riddle. What runs but never walks, has a mouth but never talks, has a head but never weeps, and has a bed but never sleeps? It is a river. Yes, if you have guessed, it is right. Now next one is, what word looks the same upside down and backwards? What word looks the same upside down and backwards? This word is swims. Swims. Yes, you can write and look at it mirror, and also backward you can read, it is swims. So these are some riddles. They are brain teasers, but they are fun at the same time also. Now I come to the riddle question of this video. As I told you in my previous video that I shall be asking 1 question, 3 questions. Whosoever answers these 3 questions in 3 videos will get a surprise gift. Now today's question is, that's again a riddle. It is, what is black and white and red all over? What is black and white and red all over? You need to answer. How to answer? Please write the answer in comment box. Now answer to the last video's question. I asked you, what is the English word that is, you may call that the longest word ever known? There are numerous words. Some are 10 letter, 15 letter, 20 letter word. But the answer to that question is, the known word is 45 letter word. That is a humongous word, and it tells about a lung disease. This word is pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcanoconiosis. It's a difficult one, but it is here. It's a 45 letter word. So that was the answer to previous video's question. Today's question, I have told you, you need to answer that to get surprise gift. You should answer this in a day. Okay, Till next video, have a good time. Thanks.